The design of the 2025 Kia pickup truck possibly combines ruggedness for off-road use with attractive modern design elements. They often have oversized grilles, sharp headlights, and athletic body lines, creating a powerful and dynamic appearance. Additionally, Kia's upcoming pickups pay special attention to functionality and durability, making their pickups a popular choice in a variety of usage conditions. If Kia does launch a pickup, it can be expected that they will combine innovative design and advanced features, following market trends and consumer needs.